Good morning, Sham Stars. In previous presentation of chapter 13, photosynthesis in higher plants, we discussed early experiments performed by various scientists. In this presentation, we will talk about pigments involved in photosynthesis, chloroplast, and photosystems 1 and 2. We have already studied the structure of chloroplast in previous chapter. Within the chloroplast, there is a membranous structure consisting of grana, the stroma lamellae, and the fluid stroma. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast, which are found in the mesophyll cells of leaves. There is a clear division of labor within the chloroplast. The membrane system is responsible for the photochemical phase, where synthesis of ATP and NADPH occurs. These reactions are directly light-dependent reactions, so we call them light reactions. The another set of reactions is called dark reaction, which occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. The stroma has enzymes for the reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates and formation of sugars. Reactions occur in stroma are not light-dependent reactions, so we call them dark reactions. Now let's talk about pigments involved in photosynthesis. A chromatographic separation of the leaf pigments shows that there are 4 pigments: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, keratin, and xanthophyll. Chlorophyll A is the chief or main pigment associated with photosynthesis, while chlorophyll B and carotenoids act as accessory pigments. This graph shows the absorption spectrum of chlorophyll A, B, and the carotenoids. They absorb light at different wavelengths and pass it on to the reaction center, chlorophyll A. They also protect the chlorophyll from photooxidation. The pigments are organized in the thylakoid membranes into light harvesting complexes within the photosystems. We call them photosystem 1 and a photosystem 2. Let's understand what are photosystems. Photosystems are functional and structural units of protein complexes involved in photosynthesis that together carry out the primary photochemistry of photosynthesis, the absorption of light and the transfer of energy and electrons. Each photosystem has one specific chlorophyll A and many other pigments bound by proteins. The chlorophyll A forms the reaction center where the actual reactions take place, while the other pigment molecules form the light harvesting system, also called antennae. In photosystem 1, the reaction center is P700, which is a chlorophyll A molecule that absorbs light at 700 nanometer, as shown in the slide. In photosystem 2, that is photosystem 2, the reaction center is P680, a chlorophyll A molecule that absorbs light at 680 nanometer. So student, this is all about the site of photosynthesis, that is chloroplast, pigments involved in photosynthesis, and photosystems 1 and 2. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will understand mechanism of photosynthesis. Thank you, Sham Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.